Taking a leaf sample. Leaf analysis gives an accurate picture of the nutrient status of a crop at the time of sampling. It is a further check on your nutrition management during the growing period. It can be used to explain unusual symptoms or to identify deficiency symptoms, which are not always visible. Sample before any foliar feed applications are made to assess the underlying nutrient status. Typically allow 3 weeks clearance between sampling and application. The leaf sample must be a good representation of the crop situation. It should be taken from more plants rather than collecting from a few plants. Use an even zigzag or W pattern when sampling a field. Take as many leaves as possible. Sometimes the sample may be more restricted if there is an unusual crop symptom to investigate. Sample the good and the bad areas. You will then be able to compare analyses to determine whether there is a nutritional factor involved or not. It is important to sample leaves from the correct position within the crop. The oldest and youngest leaves are not representative and should be avoided. Avoid large amounts of stalk in your sample. For strawberry, sample a new, fully expanded leaf. For raspberry or other cane fruit, sample a fully expanded leaf from non-fruiting canes. For bush fruit crops, sample fully expanded leaves on extension growth. Take bags and a marker pen into the field with you. Collect directly into the sample bag. Keep the leaves clean. Avoid contaminating the sample with any soil or root material. Collect about 200 grams of leaves to make up a sample. Label the bag immediately with a waterproof marker pen. It is very easy to confuse leaf samples when collecting more than one at a time. A leaf sample is highly perishable and must get to the laboratory preferably the next day. Post early in the week to avoid a weekend delay. Collecting a sample carefully takes time, so avoid trouble with delivery and processing and use clear labelling, secure packing and the correctly completed paperwork for the laboratory.